Want to start a coffee shop, but don't know where to begin with the design? Working with a designer can take time, require multiple revisions, and come with a high cost. Now, Buda can help. Simply upload a floor plan and describe what you need in a few words. For example, I want to open a warm, modern coffee shop here, with a coffee bar, seating, and plants. You don't need to understand professional design terms. Buda understands both your request and the limits of the original space. It keeps important elements like the doors, windows, columns, and restroom in place while planning the layout for you. And in just a short time, Buda creates 2 matching design visuals. An equipment layout plan that shows where the coffee bar, equipment, tables, and seating should go. And a top-down render view that lets you see how the finished coffee shop could look. From an empty retail space to a clear visual coffee shop concept, Buda makes design faster and simpler.